After successfully creating your online store, you'll be redirected to this page. Click Set up Payment Withdraw to connect your Stripe account and get ready to receive payments. Stripe will ask for a valid email and phone number to begin setup. This step is used to verify your identity and secure your account. Now it's time to tell Stripe a bit about your business. Choose your country, business type, and legal structure. If you're unsure, individual or single-member LLC are common for solo sellers. In this section, you'll provide some basic store details. One very important field here is business website. Make sure to paste the store URL you just created. This helps Stripe verify your business for faster approval. Next, Stripe will ask for your legal name, job title, and date of birth. Don't worry, this information is securely stored by Stripe and never seen or saved by Aladdin Mall. We respect your privacy. Finally, you'll choose a payout method. Link your bank account or debit card, whether it's Chase, Bank of America, or any other listed bank. Again, all sensitive data is handled exclusively by Stripe, and Aladdin Mall will never store your banking info.